guys, it's me, Liana again, and I'm here to share with you a special DIY video. So as many of you may know, coronavirus has been going on for the past few months and there's been a whole bunch of craziness that has come along with it. So I thought I'd dedicate this video to share with you how to make facial masks. I wanted to share with you some simple steps in which you can do, in which I did to make my 2 masks so that you can try do it at home. So in today's video, I would recommend either using 100% cotton Flanelette fabrics, which is the ones that I've used in mine, or either combining it with muslin fabric to sandwich it in between, or even 100% cotton fabrics. And this is for the reasons of it being breathable, comfortable, and practical. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Before I begin, I just wanted to introduce some items in which we'll need to make the face mask. We've got here a 100% cotton Flanelette fabric. It's nice and breathable, lightweight kind of fabric. We've also got some thin elastic, which I bought for only like 90 cents per meter from the arts and crafts store. And then I've got some pins here, as well as clippers and fabric scissors. So nice and easy. Things first, I'm going to cut a rectangle 20 centimeters length and then 16 centimeters up. So 20 centimeters across, 16 centimeters up. Then I'm going to do 20 centimeters across and 16 centimeters down. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut it. Alright, beautiful. So now we've got the 2 rectangles of our face mask. Alright, so here we've got our first rectangle. We're going to start making some marks along the right hand side and the left hand side. So these markings will be where we do the folds. So I'm going to just measure 3 centimeters from the bottom for the right hand side. I'm going to do the same on the left hand side. And then we're going to create another 8 more marks above this. So 1 centimeters difference. Going up 1 centimeter again, 1 centimeter again, and then so forth until there's 9 marks altogether. And we're going to do the same on the left hand side. So here we've got the 9 marks here and 9 marks here. Okay, so first we're going to do the first fold, folding up and then putting the pin in place. And we're going to fold up exactly like that on the other side. Then we're going to fold up again. And we're going to fold up again. And then our last fold, folding up. Alright, so here we've got the 2 rectangles with the folds in place. That's what it looks like. Next we're just going to get some elastic. I've put the measurement to my ear. It's about like 13 centimeters, which I'm going to cut from the elastics to go around one side of my ear. And that's how much stretchiness it has. So next we're going to put an elastic like this and make the curve facing inwards. And we're just going to get a pin and we're going to just pin it directly below that first fold. And then we're going to get the other elastic and we're going to make the curve go facing inwards like that, and we're going to put it like this, directly below the fold. Alright, next we're going to put the 2 masks facing back to back with the fronts facing towards each other, and we're going to sew around the edges at 1 centimeter seam allowance. And the sides first, and then the bottom, and then just snipping off all the corners as I go along. Lastly, I'm going to sew the bottom of the mask, leaving a middle section open. So this is what the rectangle looks like. I've sewn on all the edges and I've snipped off all the corners so that when we flip this inside out, they're nice and clean corners. So let's go ahead and turn it inside out. So after pulling in the mask inside out, this is what the finished look looks like with the front and back. with the remaining hole that's left open, we're going to go ahead and just get a needle and thread and hand sew it down. And that comes to the end of my DIY tutorial. This is what the finished product looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video today on how to make the face mask. If you found it helpful and you enjoyed watching it, give it a thumbs up and like and comment my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!